Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for joining. My name is Belle and today is Tuesday, so we are going to do a pepper challenge on Thursday and I will carry you guys through the process. So what I have here is a quart of a medium onion. I have 2 cloves of garlic, small, 3 Scotch bonnet pepper with the seeds in, and jerk season. So guys, I'm sorry that it's so dark. And I'll be adding some jerk season to it, and I'll be letting it sit for almost 2 days, so let's just say 1.5 day. So guys, see you then. So guys, I've made some pepper sauce which contains around 10-15 pepper, onion and garlic and some water, and I'll also be adding the Lasco hot pepper sauce. It's the Kraft sweet and sour sauce. And I'm going to glaze the chicken with it, so I'll be mixing and you guys will see the end product. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll be doing the Hot Wings challenge. Today is Thursday. This is my cousin Sasha and this is my niece Brittany.
Native, I am going to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. So we have the wings here. So she said she want water, and the two we have milk, and me have a box of milk right here. So well, while left outside, and the challenge I'm going now, we are going to eat each of we 2 pieces of wings. 2 pieces of wings for each. And after we don't eat it, 5 minutes after before we touch the milk. And if anybody touch it first, I them lose, you know?
I'm going to lose. Just making it clear. Yeah. I'm ready.
Alright.
Oh, little piece.
No. Jesus Christ. Brittany.
You're not hot. You're not hot. You don't. Do you sound really hot at that?
Pick up a bottle?
Hmm?
Just pick up a bottle?
Every pepper. You're not even hot. I'm vexed. You sure not hot? You're not hot. You're not hot down. Yeah, so many take up for milk. I said,
Irish
no,
from
it's not hot.
Oh, taste my one. No, the art.
What?
Yes.
No, I'm never gonna cut out that part. It will be a girl laugh.
Why I cut you out for?
Open up my mouth.
Get hot now.
Oh shit, mama. I'm nervous about them. Yeah, I thought you wouldn't like the time.
No. Late anymore. I want the biggest one out of them.
No. Get the one that's your skin.
Hmm?
One that's your skin. The skin.
Just walk and go straight away.
Which part?
It's one back there, like it. You know that at first. Corner.
So now I say at. Hey, she BS this thing on the pepper, you know? You see it? Alright, I'm ready.
Alright, so my 5 minutes, so 3:10 now.
No, we can't take that.
Now I'm gonna start for your liquor for you.
I can't never go. It's about my gum, man. Oh my god. It's a surprise. Yeah, man. Pretty dope. I'm gonna go my bum. I feel like I'm not teaching on my head.
If me I gotta take some of that, my 5 minutes gonna start over. I'm sorry. 5 minutes just start. 3:12.
Well, we can feel it now.
She have the pepper and marinade in this for 2 days.
And then
She add more pepper again.
I add the pepper when I blend up. You guys have saw it. Add the pepper when I blend up. And then I add the back of pepper to it.
I love the pit, party that raindrops.
So let me eat that.
But the thing I love the best is
You take- alright, you can take
you
peace,
see like
you
how
take
you think
peace.
this,
Let me eat
you
it.
can drink.
Eh?
Me eat
You
it.
have to eat it and then a 5 minutes start.
5 minutes without drinking nothing. Weird.
You come out here and eat the rest of it.
Of course, I'm not Jamaican.
Chewy
I don't go
glaze.
to the bone. Guys, if you have that pepper, I want this breast. I'm gonna eat it.
Breast and wings.
A wing? And a wing. It's not breast.
That's wings, that's breast.
Yeah,
Yeah.
see?
You know
And
what I'm
wings.
not- Exactly, she's a breast.
Kill
You have 2
yourself.
minutes left and
Yes.
them else there.
Elevate with what?
With the rest of our life.
Let me know.
No, for my 5
Come
minutes
on.
start over.
If the pepper completely gone now. Y'all are. I need to get something for my hand.
No, keep
But
it
me
by your
not
hand.
move still till.
Exactly.
So you feel like me go run and so go drink water? Sasha Lee, you know say me and Pepper are friend. I'm not go run.
You can't drink it because you lose.
my tea.
This is the longest 5 minutes I've ever been through. Like, yes! One more minute.
Wrong in her belly.
Wait till I don't mind 5 minutes.
You're gonna me.
Now look over this here, me I lose.
Bro, we have to make you hungry. Hey, suppose I did the spice and you go.
No, it's supposed to be the spicy chip.
As Miss
I have a spicy candy also.
No love. One with that.
I had these spicy noodles for my child.
The heat gone, completely gone out of my mouth now.
But as I start, I got
I can't wait till 20 minutes.
Go,
I can
girl.
feel my liquor.
There goes my baby. Bullseye. See? 3:15. Let's have a guy.
Get away, cause it's supposed to me and you alone that do it. Guys, me I tell you man, my family them everybody afraid of pepper. What pepper do them? What pepper do them?
You're
Right now,
too strong with that pepper, you do.
we are talking about.
She said she was every kind of pepper.
Yes, because I knew that if I only used it in the marinating, you wouldn't really taste it. So I have to glaze it with it to make sure it's set. No, you ain't gonna taste it that much. Want to make sure that every bite is a pepper bite. Why? Because even me did I say it not even that hot.
May I feel it by your phone?
No, I feel no pepper. The pepper gone basically.
Yes, I saw.
Oh, I'm so sorry, darling. Never meant to.
All type of pepper.
Never meant to. Why? My aunt them want to wash.
Guys, I lost the challenge. Well, the challenge.
She lost. Guys, she
Challenge.
lost.
The challenge. Challenge.
I won. I won.
Okay, my God. You
Mama,
can't
water
do
though.
it.
1 pound was stuck.
Hey, man, I get to bed. See, then all start.
For 5 minutes up, you know, guys. But the pepper.
5 minutes just up, please. Come on.
Send her
So,
up.
like,
And the pepper gone.
Never up, no long one. Say it just up, alright.
It does up.
Just up. Just up.
And this milk I don't like my bed.
So everything I'm to you. Weird.
Exactly.
Weird, I do the challenge.
I don't know.
Yes, sir.
No, you know why the milk a girl is very.
You have to eat the 6 of them and drink after 6 of milk.
Guys, I'm gonna wash my hand like.
I can't drink
serious.
raw milk, you know, like milk.
I want my arse too big.
I really are. I'm gonna support our team.
Winner.
Share, like, and subscribe.
Yeah, wrap it up my knees.
Go over to Native Vine channel too.
Yeah.
Share. Not every day. Subscribe.
Yes, I won and I thought I was gonna lose.
And you alone
Yeah,
win.
Mr. Second place. Yeah, man, Mr. Second place.
Excuse, cause you take up a littlest piece of meat, so nobody come make it look like. Yes, but that
A
was
too big
after she
piece we
finished.
get.
After she finished, she take up the littlest piece of meat and I come behave like
Look here,
say,
whenever have no arrangement and little, big, medium, small, in the middle, oh, the story goes.
yes, but you just decide to take up.
Yes, little, big, medium, small.
Right? You just say 2 pieces
Get
each.
away. You look for 2 of the smallest one.
No, then
And
you
I
are
come
going to
top.
the biggest one.
Of
and
course.
I am afraid of pepper.
I take
No,
risks.
you feed the 2
Me
biggest one.
take
then.
risks.
Get one big piece.
No, the
You
last
know what
one.
I'm talking about? You never start it, much less finish
Hey,
it.
that's how white people eat chicken. I couldn't do it.
Maria tell you my cousin cleaned the bone.
It's my bone
I don't
here.
eat chicken like that. I don't always eat chicken like that, guys.
Nobody gives a shit. You see, I chew the camera on the face. But I'm in the name of the bone.
And the pepper.
Yeah.
So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and like.
Till next time.
Bye.